Can you tell her how to spell it?
C-A-T.
Good job.
If you give me that one, I'll show you another one.
Ainsley, what are you doing with her?
You're videoing this? Oh.
Tell her what you're doing.
I'm showing her the cards. Then you give me back that. Ah!
Oh!
Ah!
She wants more cards, I think.
Okay. A mouse. Eek, eek. Eek, eek. A mouse. A mouse. I'll make you sit.
Aiden, what you got? Hi, Ainsley.
Huh?
What does she have?
She has a mouse.
You're a good teacher, huh? I'm gonna tackle you again.
Hey!